So guys, may mga bagong pabango dito sa Westward Souk and may mga notable ones na I want to talk about. Number one dito si Rasasi The Rage Sport. Ang bango actually nito. This one is para daw Issey Miyake DNA. Smells like para bang salty, mineralic, woody, spicy scent na fresh. And almost a dry down niya. It has a little bit of a creamy dry down. Ang bango. Like, I think araw-araw you can wear this one, masculine and also parang daily wear, friendly type of scent. Kahit ata sa init, this is very, very good. Surprising. Surprising itong Darage for Home Sport. Very good. Ito so far na tripan ko din to. This is Green Pearl by Ahmed Al-Maghribi. Smells like para bang fruity, like sweet pear na hinaluan ng green apple with florals. Like sa akin, very good. Although to me, it's a bit sweet. Lalo na yung opening, it's a bit too sweet fruity for me. Pero for the ladies, maybe magugustuhan nyo to. This one surprised me. Aynak by Ahmed Al-Maghribi. Smells citrusy, fresh, spicy, na may amoy fresh leather. Yung oud dito isn't really completely present sa simula. You do get a little bit of it, pero hinihintay ko pa yung pinaka-dry down. Pero so far, the oud here is very light. Pero with that fresh leather, it's masculine leaning and I think a great daily wear again. Absolutely non-offensive scent. Ngayon, we'll see if the dry down is more into the oud. Pero right now, I'm not getting much oud. Solid freshy. Aynak by Ahmed Al-Maghribi. Other than yung weird na nakatagilid na bote na to, the Nawatik by Ahmed Al-Maghribi is a nice scent as well. Amoy sweet, fruity, green apple na spicy scent. Pretty good. Nawatik by Ahmed Al-Maghribi. Another one is Exotic by Ahmed Al-Maghribi. Amoy pretty much fruity Fruits Basket shampoo. Parang in the lines of Herbapura, Herbagold DNA. So yeah, parang amoy fruity shampoo. Pretty good. Okay din siya. Like if you love those DNA, of course. Guys, I love this one. This is Revolt Uprising. Para siyang Spectre Ghost that is more fresh. Less vanillic, more fresh. Yeah. Like I like this one. Para more wearable na Spectre Ghost. Really love this one. Kukuha ako nito, guys. Kukuha ako nito, guys.